Question 12. Here are the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Got 4, 9, 14, 19 and 24. Find in terms of n an expression for the nth term of this sequence. Now, as it's an arithmetic sequence, we'll know then that it will be something that can be expressed in the form an plus b. So first of all, to find the value of a, we need to look at the difference between each term, and we can see quite simply that that is 5. 4 and 5 is 9, 9 and 14, and so on. You just find the difference between the two terms. As it's arithmetic, it will be the same all the way through. So we've got part of the formula then. We know it's 5n plus something, and we've called that something b at the moment. And what we normally do here is look at what n gives you for the first term. So we need to make n1 for the first term. So 5 ones are 5, and we need to add something on and get 4. So the only way that's going to happen, so if we say that 5 times 1 plus b equals 4, then b will have to be, well, it's obviously 5 plus b equals 4. b will need to be minus 1. And so the nth term, I'll just put the answer over here, is 5n minus 1. So on to the second part of the question. Here are the first 5 terms of a different sequence, and the expression for the nth term of this sequence is 3n minus n squared. We're then asked to write down in terms of n an expression for the nth term of a sequence whose first 5 terms are 4, 4, 0, minus 8 and minus 20. And what you should notice here is in our second sequence, each term is double the term in the first sequence. So to get the nth term, we'll simply need to double the previous nth term, which was 3n minus n squared. Or we need to double the nth term of the first sequence as the second sequence is double. You can check if you like. If you look at the first term, if you put in n is 1, so if you change the n to 1, you're going to get 3 1s, take away 1 squared, 3 take 1 is 2, and 2 2s will give you 4. And so that looks as though we've done it correctly. There's no real requirement to multiply out the brackets, you can leave it exactly as it is. However, if you did multiply out the brackets, then you should show the answer as 6n minus 2n squared. So make sure if you do that, you multiply the 3n and the minus n squared. And that's your answer.